Hello everyone. Like ever since I discovered this recipe, I have been losing a lot of my belly fat. Like my belly fat is all gone and I'm so back in shape, and this is equally very healthy. Will load up your system. Like in order to come up with the recipe before I share with you more benefits, the first thing I do is I get my oats. So I use a 1.5 cup of oats. Just like you measure 1.5 cup of oats, you add in 3 cups of water in it and leave it for like 3 hours so it soaks up and it is softer without leaving a lot of like raw fish. So I leave it for like 3 hours. After 3 hours, I'm good to start using my oats to use the oats now. So this is what you want to do: sieve the water out of it and put in your blender. So you put in new clean water. So after you sieve, you put the oats in your blender, you add in 3 cups of water again, and you add in some honey for flavor and taste. So add in some honey. So this is 1 tablespoon of honey to bring in taste, and I add in some vanilla. Oats can be flat and you want some taste and flavor in your oats. So I blend sieve to come up with oat milk. So oat milk or plant-based milk or nut milks are very healthy than dairy. They help you lose weight, most especially oat milk. It helps to cleanse you, facilitate digestion, boost your metabolism, help you cleanse your system and flush you out real good. So this is what you want to do: come up with your milk from oats like this, very healthy, and you just store in your refrigerator to be using with the recipe I'll be showing with you today. So the first ingredient for the recipe is orange, and we are using everything, all of the orange with the fiber, everything, not just the juice. Like this is how you soften your tummy, your stool, and you have to pass everything out, most especially that stubborn belly fat due to toxic waste in your system, accumulated waste and like bad stuffs in your system. You want to easily flush out to get rid of that constipated, bloated big belly as well. Like this helps you if you're someone who always constipated and you've tried orange juice, you testify. Then talk less of adding the fiber in it. It is so good. Plus you want to have this as your breakfast, so you need the fiber from the orange to fill you up while burning that fat. Fiber helps you be filled up but with less calories and very healthy if you're looking to lose weight. So this is it. 1 orange sliced and set aside. The next thing, very important, like when I say important, is cinnamon powder. This is so important to facilitate the breakdown of hardened toxic waste in your system, bad fats, cleanse your tummy, leave it so healthy and functioning well. That way you lose weight so fast. Is plus belly fat, most especially, is cinnamon. So you want to use 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So this is 1 tablespoon. You measure and set aside. Very good to tackle that bloated big tummy, like belly fat, and have your belly all down. Another very powerful ingredient for this is pineapple. So I'm using, like, you split your pineapple in 3 portions. I'm using just 1/3 of the pineapple. Like there's a lot of fiber in the middle part of the pineapple which fills you up but with less calories. Equally, the bromelain in pineapple helps to boost your metabolism, facilitate the breakdown of hardened waste and toxins in your system, and like relieves your system and you lose weight so fast, most especially your belly fat. This is most especially belly fat. It really helps you with that. Yeah. So this is the pineapple. 1/3 of pineapple you set aside. I'll be adding some ginger. Ginger is very, I don't know how to put it, this is something I love so much, and the way I add in my recipes, it is just so yummy and help you cleanse your tummy, boost the breakdown of hardened toxins in your system. It has anti-inflammatory properties to get rid of bad gases in your tummy, sodium, making your tummy always big and have your tummy all down, all those bad gases out. So this is the oat milk. You measure 1 cup of the milk we made at the beginning, the oat milk. That is your milk you'll be using, not dairy. So these are the ingredients. You put your 1 orange in your blender. You put in the 1/3 of the 1/3 part of the pineapple, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and you add in your ginger, a thumb size of ginger, and you add in your milk. Like, this is, you will come back and testify, this will leave you so lightweighted, burn your belly fat, have everything down. You will really empty your tummy and you will love this so much. So now you want to blend to get a very smooth smoothie consistent out of this consistency, and you put in your cup, morning cup for breakfast, and voila, this is it. This is what they say you eat or you drink to lose weight, and belly fat most especially, like your belly fat most especially. This tackles your tummy and helps you, like, do this on days you're free at home, days you're comfortable where you have to poo, because this would facilitate it for you. So I have pictures on Instagram I share all the time with my tummy out. This is YouTube. I don't really know how to fit all those pictures here, but if you want to see me fully so we can socialize, follow me on Instagram. My account is Riza's Tip, just like YouTube, and these are the recipes I go for, and I always maintain a healthy body size and without that belly fat, and always look healthy. So if you're looking to burn your belly fat, have that healthy body size free of obesity, because obesity leads to so many health complications. You want to stay away from excess fatty foods, high calorie meals, and always eat healthy. Go for these recipes I share with you for breakfast and watch your tummy disappear, like all that tummy fat be all gone. So this is it. You want to have it as breakfast in the morning on an empty tummy. This is what you're having as your breakfast while it is cleansing your tummy and burning that stubborn fat for you. And you want to equally be drinking enough water. I can't reiterate this enough. Water is like the tool to help you with digestion. Most people end up with belly fat. Like, when I tell people I drink water, it burns, it helps me with digestion, so I hardly have belly fat. But I notice most people who have belly fat, they don't drink water after eating. They replace with, all those other sugary stuffs. They replace with them, just so you're living that best life. You just, after eating, you drink those sugary kind of drinks. Sugars slow your metabolism. They don't help you with digestion. They slow your metabolism and add in sugar and calories in your system. That is how you end up with belly fat, weight gain. And so never substitute your water after eating. Once you eat your meal, make sure you're drinking your water, and that will help you with digestion. You'll be free from tummy fat, all the belly fat, and looking so healthy. Plus, water has a lot of benefits I can't tell you all today. Like, just drink water if you want to be healthy. It flushes sugars from your system, flushes bacteria from your system. Like, it cleanses you, refreshes you, and you end up so healthy. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.